Hi all, welcome to our channel Learning with Srish. In today's video, we are going to familiarize with different kinds of birds. To get immediately notified whenever we upload the video, please subscribe our channel. Hi Srish, can we start?
Yes!
King of bird.
Eagle.
Which bird is symbol of peace?
Dove.
Largest bird.
Ostrich.
Second largest bird.
Emu.
Smallest bird.
Hummingbird.
Which is the fastest flying bird?
Falcon.
Which bird can run faster than a horse, roar like a lion?
Ostrich.
Which bird sucks nectar from flowers?
Hummingbird.
Which bird can turn head around to look backward?
Owl.
Largest seabird.
Albatross.
Which bird lays only one egg in 2 years?
Albatross.
Which is the fastest swimming bird?
Gentle penguin.
Which bird makes its nest by weaving leaves?
Tigerbird.
Which bird lays largest egg?
Ostrich.
Which bird lays smallest egg?
Hummingbird.
Which bird is pink and long-necked water bird?
Flamingo.
Which bird can see in the night?
Owl.
Which bird is known for laughing in the morning and just after sunset?
Kookaburra.
Which bird can fly backward and sideways?
Hummingbird.
What type of birds catches fish in its throat pouch?
Pelican.
Which bird does not make its own nest?
Cuckoo.
Talking bird?
Parrot.
Dancing bird?
Peacock.
Very good. Thank you.
You are welcome.